You may be wondering if you can unlock the Pixel 8 without losing data. Now, if it's the password lock here you want to unlock and you forgot it, unfortunately this is not possible. If it's the SIM lock, you can just contact the carrier for that. So with the passcode lock, if you think about it, if you could remove the passcode without losing data, then a thief could also do the exact same thing. Now, when I make tutorials on how to reset the passcode if you forgot it and you wipe the phone, the security measure is that there is a Google account you need to enter in. And there are sometimes thieves in the comment section. They wipe the phone because they stole it. Okay, they stole it. Or they found it on the floor. And then they complain that there's a, their passcode's removed, but now they need to enter in a Google account, right? So that is just security. There are real people who will try and steal your product. And so if you could just get rid of the passcode, nice and easy, or then a thief could do the exact same thing. So it's just for your security, essentially, that if you forget the passcode, you have to wipe the phone and even put in the Google account after the wipe. So, yeah, sorry